look at this real quick. I saw this on Instagram the other day and I was like, what? That's crazy. I have to try it myself. So like, look at this. Just watch. Okay, ready? Ah, it didn't work. Hold on. There you go. Look, it folds itself. That's so crazy. I wasted my life making my bed. Do you understand what this means? I never have to make a bed again. Yo guys, what's up? It's Meso. And look, I'm free. Look at my teeth. Ah, look, don't they look so nice? Who is she? Look at, I'm no longer in chains. It feels so weird. Oh my god, it feels so like so weird. Anyway, take a look. Your girl is free. I decided that I'm going to film myself in handcuffs for anyway. So I decided to put myself in these for 24 hours and yeah, just kind of see what happens. I'm going to get my friend to film the parts that I can't film myself. So starting from today till tomorrow, I'm going to do that. So the time is, it's 12:17 now till 12:17, or to roughly around the same time tomorrow. I will be incapacitated. Should I put this in front? Yeah, in front of my watch. So if it catches on anything, I won't pull it out. Oh, this is tight. Okay. They're on. Time starts. Wait! Wait, hold on. I'm gonna go shower first. I'm gonna go shower and poop. 1 second.
It's rewind time.
Okay, we are all fresh. So now we are showered. The time is now 12:43, and yeah, so we're going to start. I'll just call it 12:45. So starting from now till 12:45 tomorrow, these are going to have to stay on my hand, and I'm going to do everything with them on. There's no going back from this point. And with that, she's securely strapped in place. And yeah, so 24 hours starts now. But anyway, so the first thing obviously that I want to do is make food. So I'm gonna just make some noodles. Gang gang, college life. Do you guys make your noodles with eggs? Cause I love eggs in my noodles. I don't know about you guys, but if you're making like instant noodles, boiled eggs are the best thing that goes with it. Actually, not even boiled egg, just any kind of egg. Like you can have it fried. Some people like fry it and put it on top, or like boiled. It's so good. You guys should try it if you haven't. Indomie, the OG, the only noodle for me. If you haven't had, if you know, you know. This stuff, this thing is amazing. Y'all know I'm a professional juggler now. Let me entertain y'all with my juggling skills. Oh jeez. Handcuffed juggling. Bruh. going to be this hard. Okay. Let's do 3. I feel like 3 is already hard. And then if I figure it out, I'll increase. So let's see. Let's go. Oh, that was 5 though. That was 5. Well, it's probably the trashiest 5 you ever see, but that was 5. So I'm calling it world record broken right here. What's it? Can someone leave it in the comments below if it's Guinness Book World of Records or Guinness World Book of Records? But yeah, Guinness, you guys come find me because I just juggled in handcuffs. I'm going to do it again to make it true, to prove to you guys. So look. Yee! Gang! Guinness Book World of Records, Guinness World Book. Guinness, come at me, look. I juggled with handcuffs on. Yee! This is like a couple hours later. I can't even hold the camera. Look. Anyway, the time is now 4:57. I've just been like doing schoolwork and homework. But anyway, yeah, now I'm going to my friend's room because me filming myself is ghetto. So I need someone to help me film. My friend agreed to film. So yeah, we're gonna go get Hannah now.
It do be lonely in these streets. These streets be lonely. These streets be hella lonely.
This hallway would high-key be so good for like a horror movie. Or like some kind of scary video. Don't you guys think so? Leave it in the comments if you think it'll be good for a horror movie, because I think so. Right here at Hannah's room. Yo! It's the girl.
Hello.
What up? I'm here for here. Can you hold this? So that people can like truly see what I've been going through today. It's dead ass, like my life, my real hustle. You start recording it?
Yep, I have.
Oh, you?
I did.
But yeah, like look, my freaking wrist. You can't even see it. Can you see?
Kinda.
Yeah, it'll get more. Don't worry. Like as we continue.
You have the harsh handcuffs on.
I didn't know that Sarapus had a blue.
They do have a blue. Do you want a shot?
Yo, guys. I mean, what? Sourpuss? This is
No, it's just
Capri
blue
Sun.
juice. it's Windex.
Yeah,
Is that better?
No. That's what I'm about to drink this. This is taking literally all my concentration.
Alright.
They're just like really small glasses. This isn't a shot glass, it's just a really small glass. This is the only size of glass we have.
Yeah, there's not other size glasses in the back at all. Whoa!
Woo! Then we're gonna go outside. I want to try and make a snowman.
Yes, definitely. It's perfect packing snow. Perfect packing
Yo,
snow.
like look, I literally just opened my window today and this is what was happening. Like this is how. Ooh, should we go? Yo, are we trying? Because like, remember we're still trying to go to McDonald's and like get food and do all that.
True.
So do you wanna let me show you?
I think there's a challenge where you can actually like put your hands behind your back, like go step in them, like put your hands in front of you, and then you like step in them and put them around your butt.
Oh god.
You got this. Yes! Alright, now just stand up. Yeah!
High five!
That was the weakest high five ever.
Laugh at my pain.
Yeah! There we go.
No, why am I?
Just put it, I don't know, be like a taco. Or a burrito.
Ow!
Do you want my help? It's more entertaining when you do it yourself though, other way. Oh, I pulled your hair.
You did. It was so good. Okay.
Peekaboo.
Oh, there it is. There.
chilly? Are you cold?
It's just so nice.
Don't fall!
Thank you. Okay, so now we wait.
You're welcome.
All the lovely.
You got it?
Yeah, I do it. No thanks to you.
No problem at all. Good job, good job.
I can't grab it. Okay, got it.
You got this.
I do got this.
Teeth in there.
So I'm trying to do.
Woohoo! Success!
Got him. Independent. I'm
Yeah!
no.
Yeah!
Here, you may shop at home now. Oh my gosh, I'm home. I wish I could just take these off, but I can't.
How are you gonna sleep with them on?
Let's practice. Let's see. Let's see what I'm gonna do. So probably like this. This is one position.
Yeah. You're gonna have to sleep with your shirt on too.
I forgot. Ah! Oh! Note to self. Next time, get the soft handcuffs. It is currently 1:10. 1:10. And yeah. I'm going to bed. It has been a day of. I mean, it's been a okay day. It wasn't too bad. I expected it to be way harder than it was. I think if I decide to do this again, I'll have the handcuffs be behind my back. That'll be a rule. Comment down below if you want me to do this again.
Tomorrow.
9:28 a.m. So that means I have roughly 3 hours left with these on. And today's a school day, so I'm going to be going to class with these on. Thankfully, that's one good thing about all of this, is that thankfully I don't have actual class. So like, I'm not going to have to like walk in front of a bunch of people with handcuffs on my hands. Class time.
Look at me, know what you're worth, keep your eyes on the prize. Now look at me, I live in the jungle and I'm still alive. Look at me, they want my head and they want me dead, all cause I made it way.
Now they got my shit on replay. I hate to say I want it, but I can't delay. Yeah, they be taking hits, I be making them. And you know
I'm free. Freedom! I can take these freaking things off my body. I can become clean. Anyway, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed me being in handcuffs for 24 hours. Yeah. I'm gonna see you guys next time with another video.
I made it way.
look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me. Look at me, now look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me.